Welcome everyone to break 198 for the 2013-14 Panini Timeless Treasures. Thanks everyone for getting in the break. Let's go ahead and check the current date and time according to eBay. Today is Tuesday, August 21st. It's currently 11:34 p.m. Eastern Time and 8:34 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break we have Dave with 25 spots, Ad with 1, WVU with 1, and Asta with 3. We'll randomize everyone 7 times to determine your teams for the break. Dave on top, Asta on the bottom. Good luck once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We'll put Dave on top and bottom. Run through our list. Dave has the Hawks, Asta Celtics, Dave Nets, Hornets, Bulls, Cavaliers, Mavericks, Nuggets, Asta Pistons, Dave Warriors, Rockets, Pacers, Asta Clippers, Dave Lakers, Grizzlies, Heat, Bucks, Timberwolves, Ad Pelicans, Dave Knicks, Thunder, Magic, 76ers, Suns, Trailblazers, Kings, WVU Spurs, Dave Raptors, Jazz, and wrapping it up with the Washington Wizards. Alright, so here we are. All sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. Good luck to everybody. There's our pack. So we should have 2 autos and a memorabilia card in that pack. Alright, let's get started. Good luck, everybody. First up, for the Houston Rockets, we have Chandler Parsons. There's the back. Then we have Drew Holiday for the New Orleans Pelicans, and this is going to be 176 out of 299. 176 out of 299. There's the back. And how about a Kyrie Irving Prominence Pros jersey? Very nice. And this will go to the Cavaliers. Very nice. And then we have Shane Larkin, rookie auto for the Dallas Mavericks. This thing will focus. There we are. Dallas Mavericks jersey rookie auto. There's the back. Very nice, very nice. And then last but not least, we have a Timeless Talents for the Lakers. This is going to be of Michael Cooper. Michael Cooper auto. Alright. Sweet box timeless. Let's go back through and highlight our winners. Starting with the Lakers. So the Lakers are going to Dave. Congrats, Dave. Then we have the Steve Larkin auto rookie jersey. And this is going to the Dallas Mavericks. Dallas Mavericks will be Dave. Congrats, Dave. Then we have the Cleveland Cavaliers Kyrie Irving jersey. Obviously since moved on from the Cavaliers, but he's wearing a Cavs jersey, so this is going to the Cavaliers. Cleveland Cavaliers, going with Dave. 3 for 3 so far. Then we have, for New Orleans, we have Holiday out of 299. So let's see who has Nollins. That's going to Add. Congratulations. And then last but not least, we have Houston Rockets, Chandler Parsons. And Houston's also going to Dave. So congrats to Dave and Ad. Alright. Thanks everyone for getting in the break. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media and our eBay store, P2J Sports Cards. And stick around, we'll be giving away a spot in our bonus break. So we'll get these packaged up, shipped out first thing in the morning. And have a great night.